Yeah. Clock is ticking, hear the rhythm of the years. Sound of age, planets come with a laugh and a witch. Both speak like a slow broadcast than what they used to be. But the wisdom flow like a river to the sea. Back with the telling stories, each one there, scar in the mouth. Now you time over there to learn what the heck from out. Youthful dreams faded, replaced by a winter light. But fire still burning, keep the paper bright. This ain't the end, it's a new chapter in the book. Time keeps moving forward, ain't no time for looking back and move. Listen, look, fuck you. Time of ages, symphony of harmony of time. From the whisper of the past, the present in its prime. It's a beat that keeps us pumping, rhythm that we all embrace. Sound of it, it's a journey, relentless, graceful change. Take my journey. Whisper of the past, present in its prime. Be the key to pumping, feel the deck with pumping, embrace. Keep your heart pumping, keep your heart burning, keep your heart pumping, keep your heart burning. Keep your heart pumping, keep your heart burning.